Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and this is one of the things you need to look out for when you buy a Honda S2000. I did a video back in, 2017 on this. It's called Watch This Before You Buy an S2000. Got like 130,000 views, but I figured I'd make an updated video for it. So that was based on a red '06 S2000 I owned, which I had on the channel a while ago. The last 3 years, I've been making videos of this, my 2004 S2000. So I've had three AP2 S2000s, 204s. The first one was Sebring Silver, a red '06, and this Rio Yellow Pearl 2004. So the first thing you want to look at is the 10 vehicle identification tags. Okay, so every car has a VIN number on it. 17 letters, VIN tag. I thought that car was just parked there. Okay. Anyway, car rolling through. Back then in 2004, when this car was new, the law in the United States is a car had to come with an alarm, since there were a lot of car thefts, or it had to have a vehicle identification number on each panel so there wouldn't be any thefts. Now, I've owned three S2000s. All three had 10 VIN tags. That means most likely the car wasn't in an accident because everything is there. And if there was paint work, it probably would have covered up a VIN tag. Very common, I would say most of the S2000 I looked at had 8 of the 10 VIN tags, not all 10. Now, it doesn't mean your car's trash if you only have 8 or 7, but it means it's not, a perfectly clean car. And obviously a 10 VIN tag car with the original paint is going to sell more than one that has 7 or 8 VIN tags. So just remember, if you buy one that only has 8 VIN tags, nobody's telling you not to buy it, but you shouldn't pay as much as one with 10 VIN tags. So let me show you where they are. So there's 4, as soon as we open the hood, and that's why the hood's open, so I could do this with one hand and you don't have to worry. You got a prop rod here, it works every time. There are 4 as soon as you open the hood. So what I do is anytime I'm shopping S2000s, instead of driving an hour to the dealer or private sale, just ask for a quick FaceTime call and the buyer could show you the VIN tags. Most sellers aren't even aware of it. The seller obviously could show you the VIN tag. So I'm going to show you 4 right now. So 1 is the front bumper. 2 is the front fender. Right across from it is 3, the other front fender. And then the hood has it, and the hood is right here. So if you look at pictures like on Auto Trader, Cars.com, these auction sites, people in the know would have these pictures, but a lot of times these pictures are covered. So say a dealer knows the hood's been replaced, which is very common. I'd be more wary about the fenders replaced than the front bumper, because maybe somebody just hit a curb when they were parking, or the hood, something buckled. But they'll hide it. A scrupulous seller or a dishonest dealer will hide that. So they'll show you everything in the hood but this spot. They'll show you just like here under all the pictures. So do they leave that on purpose? Also with the wheels, make sure they have all 4, because maybe there's a curbed wheel, which isn't the end of the world, but maybe they're just showing you 3 different wheels and 1 wheel twice because it's not curbed, right? All right, so we've got 4 of the 10 VIN tags. We're gonna open the door. These are the ones that would concern me the most if you didn't have it, because there's a VIN tag on each door. Why was the door replaced? Now, it could be a little old lady opened it at church and hit the car next to her, but they probably wouldn't replace it. This would probably scare me even more if this VIN tag is missing. So now what do we got? We got 6. So the other side should match this perfectly, right? And on my car it does, and hopefully yours does too. So we got 6, 7. If this was replaced, that would scare me. I guess it's not the end of the world if it's the door. So now we're up to 8. Now we got to use the key. Now this is another common area where VIN tags are not going to match up. Rear bumper. So now we got 9, right? So a lot of times this is missing. Look at the pictures on Auto Trader, Cars.com, any auction sites. It's very common for this bumper to be taken off and replaced or maybe repainted. So that's 9, and then the 10th one is right here. It's the underside of the trunk lid. All right, so those are the 10 VIN tags. So we'll make more videos on buying S2000s, but that's start there, and that'll save you a lot of issues. If a car only has 5 VIN tags, it better be $10,000. If it has 10, then you could pay, big money if it's a low mileage car. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Let me know your questions. So you get Glenn's Car Collection 7 days a week now. You get a full video on Monday, shorts Tuesday through Sunday. So you actually get 8 videos, because sometimes Friday I'll give you a video like this as well. So remember, subscribe. You get all of it for free, and you only have to do one thing: subscribe, or 2 things. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video, and then like and share so this channel can grow. The more likes I get and subscribers, the better cool cars I can review. This just happens to be my car. But I could get better press cars, better manufactured cars, special cars, cars from dealers. So it all works out to your benefit and mine. And always leave a comment. You can leave a comment on this if you have any questions. Tell me how many VIN tags your S2000 has, or maybe one you're looking at. And also in the comments of every single video, let me know what car you want me to review next. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you if you hit that notification bell. And I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.